want to tell these people, the good people, and I want to assure you, message ile sio the mtu adekeire to tuko post. We will not post. We will not post.
Ahunjia na makiria ma bishofu a makanitha matiganite ni mathire na mbere na gukumithia muthikabu wa kanitha wa JCM headquarters Bishop Benson Kamau Gathungu uria wikaine ni akiengei ta muthe kiengei no one kurumira ndeto iririte na mbere na gwakiriria ukuriri-ini cia ukinyaniria ciĩgiĩ Evangelist Bernard Gatuthu kuma kanitha-ini wa JCM. Maya mahanikite thutha Bishop Ben kwandika message cia WhatsApp cia muciĩ wa Gatuthu iria allegedly kuratuika ni gutumirwo atumirwo ni mutumia wa Gatuthu na thutha ucio ararekereria mutambo-ini wake wa Facebook gĩquote what he wrote and the message. Evangelist Bernard Gatuthu, please allow people know that I have been against. Urenda hurwo ni andu na JCM icambio na andu mone turi oru. Weri, maya ni marua ma mutumia waku. Cokia mbeca cia kanitha no ndige kwira ndama muhure. Onake ndirenda urimu ucio murenda murute. Tuika mwihokeku. Ona kuu ugathie no ukauma. Jackie Gatuthu, I'm here to congratulate you restoring hope to JCM Nyeri Chapel. May God bless you. Truly, I can say you are a father. Secondly, I have been feeling to talk to you about my husband's behavior, but I fear. You told me you said us to Nyeri to minister. As I'm writing this, it's 6 a.m. in the morning. Gatuthu is not at home since yesterday when he left around 3 p.m. I called him at around 10 and he said he was in church in Githurai with Chegewawili. I can confidently say that I doubt his ways as a servant of God. On the same note, last Saturday he came home in the morning at around 6 a.m. in the morning, drunk. He didn't even attend the first service. Nĩ ndũmĩrĩri ĩrĩa ĩrakaritie ashirika aingĩ na ahunjia aingĩ makiuga matingĩanĩka ashirika ao kuona mathiaga kwĩitũrũra nĩguo mahone ngoro na matongoretio nĩ Archbishop JJ Gĩtahi na shîru in Okland. Maya nĩmo mawoni mao.
I want to tell these people, the good people, and I want to assure you, message ile sio the mtu adekeire to tuko post. We will not post. We will not post. Relax.
Thank you.
Tunajua yenyu mengi, mmetuambia mengi, relax. Ona ile turame haha, akrosa James ni akwirita I love you ne wara fagoti aya kira na ndeto. Kindly. Kaeni katika huo uzoefu. Madaktari yako wapi? Daktari ule yako hapa, daktari mkubwa hapa. Oka daktari haha. Wera kejara kiesi ya kuoka. Ithe ndo iheto tawajo yaka kwaku. Ithe ndo iheto tawado maga mundeleva. Anga inofatie kwera.
Asha.
Na uganisha muri muriko.
Ndigegweta.
Okay. With the mama bishop ndari hada na mama wanyu. Igemuto kana hawa thesho shidano na muno ne anathutha ne ukayuri tucio guku. Na datiga ne tucio no athira. Ndathie na iro fiorore kana kwena kanitha wa kiroho korwo kihondo itambaya.
Aha.
Nigoma.
Ojire kondo kana matwale toro ikubatithia gutiko maundu mau pastor sa. Twatuire nawe kou no ri watoria tweko. Twatuire na nja wana tutire. Kanitha ciana no fitire maundu maya ma wendo wa family. Mukigwa ni muranogio ne ngwataniro. Moje tekeria ndio shoke na Nairobi style.
Oh yes.
Kanitha ngethirire tene gutukima manerera gutike na praise team tu kohunjia kwanerera na kugakura ni ciari. Ndio mugethira mukainuka. We destroy the family setup. Lakini tondu gutuwe jetito I'm a father. I am a father.
Oh yes.
Kumara kanitha wabirie ndire ndenda kutua wa city. Ona muigo kumuhana muhana gataro kanitha wanyu wa gicagi. Mohothaga kinya marigo na ki. Kwina tukurufu twa mahoya. Kwina andu mahoyaga. Kwina dibora cimaragia. Maragia matunganaga kwaraniria na kwariria aria marwarite na atia. Kwina Gideon stadu ya mara guthi kuona murwaru ucio na ndi maigite. Ni kumwonia watu asetire kanitha as a family. Priesthood is a family.
Oh yes.
Na nikio ndauga aria mumathithanagia haingikira mundu ukienda guthukia muri wa kanitha uyu ni tumurathime athie kanitha cia Nairobi iria itoya ini andu matakoragwo no horo no ciama na mori no kuhunja ukainuka gutari the family part no mundu ucio toto tigucenjia Naomi kabando tacio magatutiga.
Amen.
We must keep a family. Athuri, keep a family. Ate mundu uyu agitukoyana hau ni horaigua
ni wacio riu gatuthu no mukarera rekie bisa ati gatuthu no andu amekaga ati amkiko initiate majaini ri mabaga maketa na ahikio acio akanithari rimamenyaga kiengei akoragwo na dati yao othe tondu before umujoini aba ukuhura bisa we na mundu ungiotitwo ni andu maramukumia ta muini aka make sure mwipate-ini mukinywa na mukihaicana ni akoya bisa nikona bisa ya Merlin ko ni kirio mena gatuthu kundu Mary ona kindi ni arutite wigi ni twaini turia tuhagwo thiini nigetha mundu ekire wigi na turaini twake na gatuthu we muri utakimaikarite nyumba ugu magitega kundu makinyua kundu magikoma nyumba ironeka ni nyumba magacoka makarekia rugano ruria gatuthu mukaiga ndainukaga agacoka nake gatuthu ri agacoka rugano mwena rukekirwo bisa ya Merlin ko na gatuthu utuku me kundu nyumba tondu miru ndirwo Mary ni ahonoka mukihenio Mary ni amuru no ino the ari biashara to no nginya mathukumirwo na ni makurire mabishofu no nginya methe mundu uri ungiguciriria andu 10 rimwe andu mewira naguo wira nuguria tuhingitwo ni wira wa ngoma tuhoe thire
atutu ni atoinire rwimbo rwega muno aratoinira atiriri kinyia muico undu uria uthumburaga mundu ni abati kurora no kuina daina or there is an altar that fights with what I carry. Rwimbo ni very powerful ungiruthikiriria no ni ubati kurora atiriri kindu giki kirakinyio muico ri no kuina daina kana ni kuri kigongona gituire kireganite na nie kwambata gituire kireganite na nie ukorwo ndi iguru tondu o hindi ciothe ndathi iguru undu ugoka no he no ndu barahuka goka kutha muoroto wakwa wothe ukagutha ihiga. That is an altar. He kiundu kiarahukaga giagutamura o rimwe ukono acoka thi na no urore andu aingi mendete biashara